there, my friends! Guess what? This girl you see right here isn't real. Nope, she's totally fake. AI influencers have taken the social media scene by storm lately. These accounts, like the ones you see here, have been pulling in tens of thousands, if not millions of followers. So, here's the deal today. We're going to create some incredibly realistic, sizzling hot AI influencers using just a handful of nifty AI tools. Ready? Let's dive right in. Step 1. To create a successful AI influencer, they need to be unique. I'm talking supermodel level hotness here. Oh, and they absolutely can't be real people. But hey, no sweat, we're going to use AI to create some stunning photos and videos. And, of course, our influencer's face needs to be consistent. So, for our first move, we'll need a dazzling AI-generated face image as our source material. There are literally tons of AI tools out there for generating AI images nowadays. If you haven't heard of Midjourney, Leonardo AI, CArt AI, etc., well, my friends, you've got some catching up to do. We could certainly use any of these tools to create a gorgeous AI face, but here's a simpler trick. Let's just find an existing one that we like by searching on these AI image generation platforms. Today, we're going to check out CArt AI. Once you're on their homepage, simply type in blonde woman, and bam, you've got a treasure trove of AI-generated blonde bombshells at your fingertips. Find one that tickles your fancy, and that's going to be our influencer's face. For best results, make sure the image is gazing right at you, the whole face is clear with no glasses or masks, and absolutely nothing obscures that gorgeous mug. Once you've snagged the perfect image, you could use the AI model that created it to generate more similar images, but for now, we only need that one source image. Download it, and you're good to go. Another cool place to hunt for realistic face images is civitai.com. A similar search will yield loads of options. Civitai is more like an AI model vault, packed with different AI models and styles. From either of these sources, snag a face image and save it to your local device. That wraps up step 1. Now, on to step 2. We need some targeted images to serve as the foundation for our AI influencers' photos. In this video, we're crafting a blonde AI influencer, so let's type in blonde hot models Instagram into Google. Browse around and grab some shots of gorgeous blonde models with various poses, backgrounds, and outfits. Download those you want to use as the base images for our influencer, regardless of whether they're real people's photos. We'll swap their faces later with our AI influencer's face. If you still have some concerns, you could also search on Midjourney or CArt to find some excellent AI-generated base images, or you can simply generate some new AI images using these platforms. Once you've gathered your base images, step 2 is in the bag. Now, it's time for the fun part. In step 3, we're going to replace the faces in our base, or should I say target, images. If you search AI Face Swap online, there are quite a few tools out there for this, like Photo, Deep Swap, Reface AI, and more. But honestly, I find them a bit cumbersome to use. I prefer using a private server, especially since I've got Discord set up with Midjourney. Here's how you do it. Create a new server on Discord, select Create My Own, then choose For Me and My Friends. Give a name as you preferred to the new server and then click Create, and voila, you've got a fresh server. Next, invite the Midjourney bot to your server. Go to the Midjourney server, click here to show member list and find Midjourney bot, click it. Click Add to Server, find our new server in the drop-down menu, select it and click Continue, click Authorize to add it. Easy, right? Now, head over to the GitHub page of Insight Face Swap, I'll leave a link in the description, and scroll down to Step-by-Step Guide, click this link. And again, select our server and click Continue and Authorize to add it to our Discord server. You should now see both the Midjourney bot and Insight Face Swap landed on your server. To swap face, we need to create a face ID first. Go to our new Discord server, type /save ID followed by an ID name. I'm using InsID1 here, then drag and drop the image you downloaded from CArt in step 1 into the image prompt box. Hit enter, and in a few seconds, you'll see InsID1 created. Now the real magic begins. Type /swap ID, input the Face ID name you just generated, InsID1, and grab one of the base images from your local folder. Drag and drop it into the image prompt box, then hit enter. In a few seconds, your base image will have your AI influencer's face seamlessly swapped in. It's that simple. Thanks to the creators of Insight Face Swap, the quality of this face swap is absolutely stunning. Repeat this process with all your other base images and download all the face swapped images. Now you've got a collection of photos for your AI influencer. To make your AI influencer shine on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you'll need some sizzling reels or short videos, just like the one you saw at the beginning. Now, let's dive into step 4 to create those. We're going to use the same face swapping technique, so we'll need some hot target or base videos. Start by searching for hottest Instagram sport influencers. Easy peasy, right? This top 10 list looks promising. Click it, and voila, you've got plenty of options. Let's go with Veronica Rajek. She's smoking hot. But is she real or not? Let's find out online. A quick search reveals her Instagram page with a whopping 6 million followers. She's a fantastic influencer. A further search uncovers her TikTok account. For our target video, we'll want one where her face is fully visible, no glasses, no rapid camera movements, and no abrupt scene shifts. This one with glasses won't do, but this one should work perfectly. Yeah, looks good. Download it. Preparation complete. Now, let's get to the cool face swap part. For this, we're going to use the roopdeepfake tool. If you don't have a powerful local computer system, you can use this Google Collab page. Big shout out to the creator of this Collab page. To use it, link your Google Drive to Google Collab and run the notebook cell by cell. The first cell sets up the Python environment, the second one downloads the AI model, and the third one loads the face image and target video. For this step, you'll need to upload the face image and target video you downloaded earlier to your Google Drive. Make sure the addresses match where you stored them on your Google Drive. The final step is to run the last cell. It'll generate the face swapped video named swap.mp4. Here's a tip: for the best quality, remove the output video quality 80 argument to get the highest quality possible. With this argument there, you'll get lower quality videos. But since I've got a pretty beefy PC with a decent GPU, I'm doing this on my local machine using Python. To do this, first, install Python. I recommend Python 3.10. I also use Anaconda to manage my Python environment, so you can download both Python and Anaconda. Next, go to the roopdeepfake GitHub page, download the zip file, and unzip it to a local folder. Create a new folder here called Models. Then, head to this Hugging Face page to download the model. Once the model is downloaded, place it in the Models folder. Now, open a command window in this folder and activate the Anaconda prompt. Create a new Python environment called roopdeepfake and use Python 3.10. Activate this environment by typing activate roopdeepfake. Now that we have our base environment set up, we need to install the required Python packages for roopdeepfake. Just type pip install -our requirements.txt and wait until the installation process is complete. Now we're ready to face swap the video. Locate your source face image and the target video and type in the command. Make sure the addresses for the target video and source image are correct. Then hit enter. Depending on the size of the target video and your PC's performance, it might take a few minutes. But once it's done, enjoy your finished face-swapped video. Wow, isn't that amazing? I'm loving it. I enjoyed it so much that I downloaded another target video and made another one. Let's check that one out too. And there you have it, my friends. You've now got all the photos and videos you need to create a stunning social media account for your AI influencer. The final step? Create a killer bio and name. For that, you can always turn to ChatGPT. I'll leave that part to your imagination. The only thing I'm a tad bummed about in this journey is that it's limited to face swaps for now. But guess what? I'll be showing you some seriously fancy ways to swap almost anything in an image in my future videos. So, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. Alright, until next time, have a blast creating your AI influencers.